Jesus. Jesus. This man, 70 years old man. Then Tiagasa, Charlie boy, na ya mumu na too much. Na ya mumu na too much. You be mumu.
I'm telling you, look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
The blood of Jesus.
That be juju be that.
First of all, mount your phone in a steady tripod. Put a pot in one place like this and then snap it. Make a picture of that pot and then save it to your gallery. And then after making the picture of the pot, then sit down in one place like this and then pretend as if you are flying. Then video yourself while you are pretending as if you are flying. Video yourself and then save the video to your gallery and then head over to CapCut. Now you are inside your CapCut. So what are you going to do right now? You are going to click on new project. So now click on new project. So when you click on new project have already taken you to your gallery where you are going to select that particular video which you want to edit. So now look at the video which you want to work on it here. Click on this video and then come down here and click on add. I put this arrow here purposely to make it very easy for you to understand. So pay attention to what I'm teaching you here. It is very, very easy and simple to understand. So now click on add. So when you click on add, you see that this video is automatically added to your project. And what are you going to do? You are going to start working on this video right away. You understand? So now come down here and look at these icons down here. Then click on overlay. Look at overlay here. Click on overlay. So we click on overlay, click on add overlay. And then what are you going to do? You are going to click on photos. Click on photos. And then when you click on photos, click on this particular pot here. When you click on this pot, come down here and then click on add. So when you click on add, you can see that this pot is now added to your video. But this pot has a background. And what are you going to do? You are going to remove the background of this pot. You understand? So now come down here. Look at these search bars down here, these icons. Then come down here and look for remove BG. Look at remove BG here where I'm pointing this arrow. Then click on remove BG. So when you click on remove BG, look here by your left where I'm pointing this arrow. Then click on auto remover. So when you click on auto remover, you allow it to load and then you see the background of that pot is removed. You understand? So what are you going to do? You are going to just adjust the pot, bring it down here and leave it there. So what are you going to do? You're still going to click on add overlay. So when you click on add overlay, it have already taken you to your gallery. Now you're going to click on videos. Click on videos, and then when you click on videos, come down here and select that particular video where you made. Look at the video down here. Click on it and then come down here and click on add. So when you click on add, you're having this video where you sit in this place and then you pretend as if you are flying. You understand? So now you're going to cut this video here. Click on this video here, highlight on it, and then come down here and look for split. Click on split. Look at when I'm pointing this arrow. Click on split and then delete the first part of this video. Come down here and look for delete. Click on delete and you see the first part of the video is deleted. And then use your two fingers, hold on this down layer. Look at what I'm doing. Hold on this down layer and then drag it to the beginning of this video. Just like this. And then look at what you're having. You're having this video. But this video still have a background. You understand? So what are you going to do? You are going to remove the background of this video. Now, click on this video, highlight on it, and then come down here and look for remove BG. You understand? Click on remove BG down here and then look by your left again and then click on auto remover. Click on auto remover. Allow it to apply. Now you can see that the background of the video have removed completely. So mark on good. You understand? So when you mark on good, what are you going to do right now? Use your two fingers, hold on your body just like this and drag it down. Put like this on the pot just like this. So when you put it here, what are you going to do right now? Highlight on this particular video and then come down here and look for mask. Let's look for mask. You understand? This thing is very, very simple and easy to understand. So come down here and look for mask. Look at mask down here where I'm pointing this arrow. Then click on mask. So when you click on mask, you're going to click on horizontal. Click on horizontal here. So when you click on horizontal, what are you going to do? You look at the line that is on the screen here, this yellow line that have covered your body. What are you going to do? Use your finger, hold on this line, then drag it down and put at the mouth of this pot, just like this. You understand? Put it at the mouth of this pot, just like this. You understand? So when you drop on the mouth of the pot, what are you going to do? All right, now you are going to click on this pot, this pot layer, Look at where I'm pointing this arrow down here. Click it and then make sure they are aligned together, just like this. So now after doing this, what are you going to do? Let's play the video and then see the result of what we are having here. Please guys, I'm teaching you all this thing for free. The only favor you can do for me is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do it by hitting the subscription button on this video. Like this video and share it to others. And for those of you that are having issue exporting your videos using CapCut Pro features, I've made a video about that on how to export your video while using CapCut Pro features without paying for it. The link to that video is in the comment section of this particular video. Click on it and it will take you directly to there. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.